If your monthly electricity bill is 3,000 rupees, you will end up spending 20 lakh rupees in 25 years on electricity alone. Imagine using that money for your child's education, dream vacations, or investments. Rooftop solar is a simple and smart way to save that money. Generate your own electricity and reduce energy bills by 90%. What's more, you'll also be a hero for the environment. Carbon emissions offset by the rooftop solar system on your home is equal to planting 50 trees every year. Thousands of households in India and millions across the globe have switched to solar as their primary energy source. Anyone with a roof and with a minimum electricity bill of 1,000 rupees can seamlessly integrate a solar system with their existing electrical setup. Moreover, the solar system has a lifespan of more than 25 years. Enjoy uninterrupted clean energy for years to come with minimal and hassle-free maintenance. With the Government of India offering subsidies of up to 78,000 rupees under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, going solar is more affordable than ever. Freyr Energy is India's leading solar company, with thousands of happy customers, a state-of-the-art mobile app, financing, and 24/7 customer support. Freyr Energy makes solar seamless, affordable, and beneficial for everyone. We are the only residential solar company in India, backed by global energy and technology leaders like Schneider Electric. Every solar system we install meets the highest global engineering and safety standards. Our Freyr Energy app makes your process of going solar transparent and straightforward. From ordering to installation, everything is just a tap away. You can also avail attractive financing options like zero-cost EMIs and collateral-free loans that reduce the burden of upfront costs. Loans are sanctioned in as little as 5 minutes. Transition to solar with Freyr Energy in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Review proposal and order a system. Step 2. Design approval. A detailed design of your project is shared for approval. Step 3. Installation. Adhering to global safety and quality standards, installation is completed in 48 hours. Step 4. System is ready to go live. You're now connected to the grid, and the system will start generating free clean energy from day one. Start monitoring system performance in real time. Track your savings and receive reminders when it's time to clean the system. Paying for electricity is a thing of the past. Smart decisions start with Freyr Energy. Join the solar revolution to bring affordable clean energy home and create a sustainable future for generations.